have a new club, a robotics club, and we want you involved. Do you possess the strength and mental powers to be a problem solver? Do you have the passion to be on a robotics team?
What made you want to be part of the robotics team?
There's a girls' team and a boys' team, also a mix between the two.
It's fun for everyone to do, even for girls. Here are some questions that will be needed to be answered in order to sign up.
Tell me about the skills you have with robotics and the designing stage.
Tell me about the experiences you have with robots.
Tell me about the experiences you have with technology. Tell us about your teamwork.
What makes you think that you are worthy for the robotics team? Will your parents allow you to come to the meets?
So fill out your Google form and tell us your science background and why you, yes you, think you should be a part of the robotics revolution.